Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove your payment card from Apple Watch Ultra 3. To remove your payment card, you'll need to go to the Watch app. Now, you can simply go to your payment cards. So let's go to the settings to the Watch app. Let's go to Wallet and Apple Pay. Select your card. Scroll down and tap on Remove Card. Tap on Remove Card again. And now the card was removed. It's still on your phone, but it's not on your watch anymore. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.